mechanism of coagulation, nothing but clotting, blood clotting. Yes. According to International Commission of the Coagulation, according to International Commission of the Coagulation, in our blood consistent of only 13 factors are there. These factors are useful for essential for the clotting of the blood. So these are essential for clotting of the blood according to International Coagulation Commission of Blood Clotting. Okay, International Commission of Coagulation of Blood, or nothing but Commission of the Blood. These are containing how many? 13 blood factors are there. 13 blood factors are there. These factors are essential for the clotting of the blood, nothing but clot. Okay, so the mechanism of, what is the first one? What is the definition about the, what is the clotting? What is the coagulation? The fluid of the blood. Are you clear? The fluid of the blood is converts into semi-fluid in the, what is the injured level? Injured level, or these are fluid. Blood converts into semi-fluid. A fluid blood is converts into semi-fluid. That is known as a clotting. That is known as a clotting. In which region? The injured region. Which region? In injured. That is known as a clotting. So the clotting, the mechanism of blood clotting is first of all proposed by two scientists known as Biggs and Florencis. First one, two scientists are proposing the mechanism of blood clotting. First one is Biggs and Florencis. These two scientists are proposing this theory, the proposing of clotting mechanism or clotting theory. So in 1965, so this theory is called as a cascade mechanism. This blood clotting mechanism is called cascade. Blood clotting mechanism is called cascade mechanism. What is the meaning of the cascade? It is a flow. It is a flow. Cascade means it is a flow. So in this cascade mechanism, these are consistent of how many? 13 factors are there according to International of the Coagulation of the Blood. International Commission of Coagulation of the Blood. According to this international, these are consistent of only 13 factors. These 13 factors are first of all identified by these two scientists. So they are giving a name of this mechanism is called as a cascade mechanism. So they got a Nobel Prize in 1974 from their clotting mechanism. So we are discussing about the what is the properties, what is the factors are there in blood clotting mechanism in detail. So 13 factors are the first one. Note down. First, these each and every factor, each factor is indicates with a Roman number. First factor is fibrinogen. Second one, prothrombin. Third one, thromboplastin. Fourth one, calcium ions. Fifth one, what is the fifth one? Is labile factor. Fifth one is labile factor. Sixth one, hypothetical factor. Seventh one is called stable factor. Seventh one is stable factor. Eighth one, please indicate everyone the Roman number. These are eighth one is called as a anti-hemophilic factor. Anti-hemophilic factor. Are you clear? Ninth one is called as a Christmas factor. Christmas factor. Ninth one is called as a Christmas factor. 10th one is called as a Stewart power factor. Stewart power factor. Stewart power factor. 10th and 11th one. The 11th one, what is that? A plasma thromboplastin. Are you clear? The 12th one is surfactant. Surfactant factor. 12th one is surfactant factor. The 13th one is fiber stabilizing factor. We are discussing each and every one in detail. Yes, these are 13 factors are there. These all factors are there in our bloodstream. These all factors are there in our bloodstream, but these are always in inactive condition. There is no activation in our bloodstream. When the injury was occurs, these 13 factors are ready to activated and to form a clotting take place. Form to, what is that? These are after the injury. These are ready to coagulation take place. In the normal condition, there is always inactive in condition of bloodstream. If it is active in bloodstream, in our bloodstream, if there is no injury, the total blood is clot. Are you clear? So these are always in blood. These are completely inactive in condition. When the injury was occur, so these are completely activated. Yes, the first one is fibrinogen. These are 13 factors are there. First one is fibrinogen. The fibrinogen. What is the first one? What is the fibrinogen? The fibrinogen is one of the protein factor. These are 13 protein factors. The first one is the first protein factor. This protein factor is synthesized from the liver. Very, very important. It is one of the protein factor. It is synthesized from the liver. Liver cells. Liver cells are liver. Which one? The prothrombin is synthesized from the liver. The most number of the questions asking from the NEET and AIIMS level examination. Their number and as well as their name of these properties or factors. Okay. So what is the 12th factor? What is the 11th factor? What is the 10th factor? They are asking in examination. Okay. What is that? These are synthesized from the liver. So the fibrinogen converts into what is the fiber stabilizing factor? The first factor finally formation into fiber stabilizing factor. First to last cascade. One factor is activated, then it is activated into the near of the another factor, like a flow. If it is this one is activated, what is the first fibrinogen is activated. When it is activated, this inactivated second one prothrombin is activated. Next one, the prothrombin is activated into thromboplastin. The thromboplastin activated into the calcium. Like that, this is one of the cascade mechanism. Cascade mechanism, like a flow mechanism. Only first when get your injury, only one factor is activated. The factor is activated in the remaining all factors. This is originated from synthesized from the liver. The prothrombin, it is one of the thrombins. These are also synthesized from the liver cells. Synthesized from liver. Very, very important. Very, very important is third one is thromboplastin. Thromboplastin. The thromboplastins are synthesized from the plasma cell. Just to recapitulate, the plasma consistent of what are they? Inorganic phosphate, organic phosphates and proteins, albumin and globulin along with the coagulation factors are prothrombins and fiber stabilizing factors. These two are there. Are you remember? Yes. So these synthesizing prothrombins are synthesizing from which region? Plasma cells. So these are there in plasma. These are synthesizing from the plasma. Synthesized from the plasma. The fourth one is calcium ions. These calcium ions act like a cofactor. These are act like a cofactors. Next one, label factor. So these are also synthesized. These are synthesizing from the liver. These are also synthesizing from the liver. Next one, hypothetical factor. It is one of the suspicious. It is one of the suspicious or doubt. Suspicious or doubt factor is known as a hypothetical factor. So the scientists are observing total mechanism. This is not a particular, is an individual factor. It is a coordinate with the remaining other factors. So it is the hypothetical factor, also called as a cofactor. It is not an individual factor. It is what is that? It is together to another factor. That is known as a together to another factor. Nothing but coordinate to another factor. Nothing but it is also cofactor. Cofactors. What is the stable factor? Stable factor. It is also synthesized from the liver. Next one, very important. Anti-hemophilic factor. Anti-hemophilic factor. It is absence of nothing but the deficiency of anti-hemophilic in our bloodstream. Very, very important. Our blood deficiency of anti-hemophil. This factor or this protein, our body is shown nothing but that is leads into hemophilic A. Hemophilic A. What are they? If our these 13 factors are there in our blood stream, exception of these two, 3 and 13 are exception of these two. The remaining all are there in bloodstream. These two are there in plasma. Anti-hemophilics are absence, the deficiency, not absence means the deficiency of these factor. Which one? Eighth factor. That is leads into hemophilia A. That is leads into hemophilia A. So what is the causes? What is the causes of the hemophilia? What will happen if it is the hemophilia? It will form. So it is a delay of clotting blood. It is a delay time for the clotting of the blood. It is a delay for the clotting blood. Means if it delay for the clotting blood, it is the more amount of the blood is lost. The organisms will ready to loss of the blood. Nothing but die. Delay of clotting. Which one? The deficiency of anti-hemophilic in our blood. Next one, Christmas factor. It is a scientist name. Christmas is one of the scientist name. It is also synthesized from liver. So the deficiency of Christmas factor in our blood, it is also formation of anti-hemophilic B. It is also formation of anti-hemophilic B. The deficiency of Christmas factor in our bloodstream, it is also formation of hemophilic B. It is called as it is also shown the delay of the blood clotting. Are you clear? Eighth factor, the deficiency of the eighth factor, it is causing of hemophilia. The causing of ninth factor, it is formation of what is the deficiency of ninth factor? It is also formation of what is that? Hemophilic B. Next one, Stewart factor. It is also scientist name. It is also synthesized from the liver cells. Next one, plasma thromboplastin. This deficiency of plasma thromboplastin, it is also causing what is that? Hemophilia C. A, B, and C. Where is the A? The deficiency of what is that? Deficiency of anti-hemophilic causing of the hemophilia A. Deficiency of Christmas factor, hemophilia B. The deficiency of 11th factor, thermoplastin, it is causing a hemophilia C. Hemophilia C. So these three factors are deficiency. Only they are doing only one function is known as the delay of clotting blood. The last one, the 12th one is surfactant factor. The surfactant factor is majorly. It is if during the injury, it is only appears in the surface of the skin. Appears in surface of the skin. Appears surface of the skin. Surface of skin, very, very important. So these are synthesized from liver. The 13th one is fiber stabilizing factor. These are synthesizing from plasma cells. So these are known as clotting agents or clotting factor. Are you clear? First one is fibrinogen. It is synthesizing from the liver. Prothrombin, thromboplastin. Okay, what is the calcium ions? Fifth one is label factor. sixth one is a hypothetical factor, seventh one is stable factor, eighth one is anti-hemophilic factor. These three are very, very important. These three are very, very important. These three are very important. What is that? Seventh, eighth one. Eighth factor. What is the eighth factor? They're asking in NEET level examination. The anti-hemophilic factor is known as a eighth factor. So these are the deficiency of anti-hemophilic in our bloodstream. It is causing hemophilia A. Hemophilia A. It is resulting is delay of the clotting. So next one, Christmas factor. It is causing delay of this causing of the Christmas factor. It is what is the result is known as a hemophilia B. Next one, last 10th one is Stewart factor. It is synthesized from the liver. 11th one is plasma thromboplastin. It is also synthesizing from the liver. So the deficiency of the Stewart plasma thromboplastin is causing into hemophilic C. Hemophilic C. These three are very, very important. These three, anyone comes in examination. Surfactant factor, it is appears in the surface of the skin. Fibrinostabilizing factor, it is comes from synthesized from the plasma. Are you clear? These are 13 factors. 13 protein are coagulating factors. Next one, the mechanism of blood clotting. Are you clear? These are 13 factors are there. These factors are synthesizing from which cells or which organs? Are you clear? The 11 factors are synthesizing from the liver. Only 2 factors are synthesizing from the plasma. What are the 3 and 13? 3 and 13 are synthesizing from the plasma. Remaining all are synthesizing from the liver. Are you clear? Yes. So next we are discussing about the next one, the mechanism of blood clotting.